To install WordPress on DigitalOcean, follow these steps. Create a droplet. Log into DigitalOcean. Click Create Droplet and choose the one-click app section. Select WordPress on Ubuntu from the options. Choose your droplet size, data center region, and set up SSH keys or a root password. Click Create Droplet. Access your droplet. Once your droplet is created, you will receive its IP address. Connect via SSH. Complete WordPress setup. Upon logging in for the first time, the WordPress installer automatically configures the LAMP stack. You'll be prompted to set up MySQL root password and create a WordPress database. Access WordPress via web. Open your browser and go to the following. The WordPress setup page will appear. Choose your language, enter your site title, admin username, password and email. Configure domain. If you have a domain, point it to your droplet's IP using an A record in your domain's DNS settings. Secure your site. Install SSL using Let's Encrypt by following the guide in DigitalOcean's documentation.